Let's learn how to convert audio file into MP3. So let's get started. First of all, right click on M4A file and open with music.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you a simple guide on how to connect Telegram app to
The audio
laptop
file
or
is
PC.
playing. Let's pause it and select that file which you want to convert into MP3. After that, click it here and then go on file. Here you can see convert. Click on create mp3 version, click it here. Now it is converted into mp3. As you can see, new folder has created, music. Open it. As you can see, it is converted into mp3. Let's play it.
Hello everyone. In this
So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.